Hi, my name is Brigette Davila, and I'm an Infection Preventionist Nurse here at Eisenhower Health.
Hi, I'm Wendy Edwards, and I'm one of the clinical nursing directors here at Eisenhower Health. Eisenhower Health would like community members to learn how to use their face coverings appropriately, whether it's a bandana or a homemade mask.
Our most important safety tip for you is to stay home. Protect yourself and our community. Only go out for essential needs. That is to go out for groceries and for healthcare appointments.
And when you're out in the community and you have your facial protective item on, you want to make sure that you keep it on and that you don't touch it with your hands.
Wendy is going to help demonstrate removing a face covering. When you remove your face covering, only touch it from the back of your head to untie it or pull the elastic over your head carefully. Do not touch the front of your face covering, as that is the area that could be contaminated. If you take your face covering off and plan to put it back on, place it on a clean paper towel or in a clean plastic container so it's not touching a potentially dirty surface.
The most important thing to remember is anytime you're manipulating any type of facial covering that you have on, you want to finish by performing hand washing, or what we call hand hygiene. If you'd like to see a nice demonstration on how to best wash your hands, you can click on the link below. We'd also like to say that if you're wearing a facial covering that you can pull down off of your face, resist the temptation to do so, as it might contaminate the front of your chest or another part of your body. We've seen many community members out there wearing gloves when they go to the grocery store. And just remember, if you're going to wear gloves, make sure that you remove them properly, discard them in the trash. Don't leave them in shopping carts or in other locations where someone else might come into contact with them and become contaminated.
It's important not to touch the outside of the gloves, as the entire surface could potentially be contaminated. Begin by grasping the center of one hand at the palm and pull forward until you remove the glove. While continuing to grasp the removed glove, carefully insert index finger at the wrist of the remaining glove. Gently pull forward, removing the glove inside out, and dispose of the glove in the trash. And most importantly, wash your hands after removing your gloves.
Please be safe, and thank you for sheltering at home.